Welcome to this guided relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Support your head and knees with cushions or blankets. Cover your eyes with an eye pillow. And use a blanket to stay warm during the practice. Once you've settled into a comfortable position, close your eyes and try to remain still and awake throughout this guided practice. If you feel yourself falling into a deep state of relaxation, don't try to change anything. Just let your experience be whatever it is. Now, become aware of your breath flowing in and out of your body without any effort. You may notice the feeling of your breath in your belly area. You may notice your chest moving up and down. Allow each breath to become longer and slower. And as you slow down the breath, notice what happens in your body and your mind. Let's practice a few rounds of deep breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Continue breathing in this way on your own for a moment. Now I will guide you through a body scan and invite you to move through your awareness as we move through different parts of your body. As I name each body part, simply notice any sensations in that part of your body. Bring your attention to the crown of your head, your forehead, eyes and eyelids. Nose, your jaw and cheekbones, lips, tongue, and chin. Relax your whole face. Notice both sides of your head, your ears, the back of your head. Relax your whole head. Notice your neck and your throat. Your collarbone, chest, shoulders, arms, your hands and all 10 fingers. Notice your rib cage, your belly, upper back, shoulder blades, middle back, and lower back. Relax your whole upper body. Now notice your hips, buttocks, thighs, knees, legs, ankles, feet, and all 10 toes. Relax your whole lower body. Relax your entire body from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Now come back to the feeling of your breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. And take a few deep breaths here to get the energy flowing again in your body. And just notice how you're feeling overall. And gradually bring your attention back to the position of your body on the chair or the mat. And start to bring some gentle movements into your hands and your feet. Taking a deep breath in, stretch your arms above your head. And then exhale as you relax your arms and head, your entire body. And eventually roll over to your side and stay there for a moment.